Okay, here's another quick way. I got somebody that actually emailed me, and it was crazy because I was talking to my big sis after I put the bagel video up about how I also do it this way. Now, this is if you don't have an oven, and this is if you have like a hot plate or what is it? Yeah, I think it's a hot plate with the eyes, the two eyes on it. You can make bagels this way. So these are for the college kids or people that are just on their own and don't have access to an oven, but you have a hot plate. So you butter your bagel, which is what I did with this one, and then you turn your eye on. I got it on high, and I started to do it, and I said, "Oh my gosh, I forgot. Let me share this. Let me share this." Now that other bagel one is one I did several months ago. I just never released it. During the time when I said I was going to do a lot of how-to videos. I still got a couple more that I didn't release, so I'm going to start releasing those. But this is how I do it. You just want that butter on there on one side, and you cut that stove on high and allow it to grill it on top of the stove. And I'll be back when they're done. You hear them sizzling? Let me zoom in. I will be back as soon as they are done. Y'all hear that? See they sizzling? They're actually going to fry. Now, being that it's going to be butter on there, I'll take it and flip it over just a little bit after I get it how I want it on one side. All right, let's look at them. See? They are toasting. See? So you do not have to have, you can cut them down just a little bit. So I'm cutting it down to like a medium. But you want to press them because you want it to get grilled all around the bagel. Now see how they're toasted? And I just flip them over on the other side like that. And let them get a little toasty. Alright guys, these are done. And they're toasted on both sides. Now they are done. I got my little cream cheese that I put in the microwave for a couple seconds to get it creamy. And I'm going to slather that on my bagel. So that is another way. And if you want, I will try to put the links to the videos I just did the other day on how to make bagels in the broiler for those who are new to this, and how to get your cream cheese nice and in a whipped consistency like this. Ooh, these are hot. But yeah, nice, easy, and no toaster or no oven on a hot plate. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you are a bagel lover, there you go. If your oven is down or anything like that, you can still have your bagels. Later, gators.